गुड इवनिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। होप मेरी आवाज आ रही होगी आपको। निकिता मैम, गुड इवनिंग।
गुड इवनिंग मनोज जी।
कैसे हैं मैम?
हम ठीक है मनोज जी, आप कैसे हैं?
मैम मिश्का, MISHKA मिश्का, वो होंगे साथ में, उनको लेना है मैम।
ओके ओके, मैं देख रही हूँ।
सेजल मिश्का, ओके। हेलो मिश्का, कैन यू हियर मी?
मनोज जी, मिश्का नायर है कि सेजल मिशिका है?
ये कोई
तो
इंडियन होगी मैम शायद। सेजल
वो
मिश्का
है यहाँ पे।
दूसरे वाले होंगे। मिश्का, नॉर्मल मिश्का, MISHKA।
अच्छा ठीक है, शायद वो नहीं है फिर, क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक जन है मिश्का नायर और एक जन है
मिश्का
सेजल
नायर, मिश्का नायर है वो।
मिश्का नायर। ओके ओके।
यस। Yes. Hello, Mishka.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, Mishka. Great.
Good. This is
Because
Briley. This is Briley, who's going to be joining us for the session.
Hi there, how's it going?
We'll start in 3-4 minutes, Mishka.
No problem. Can you hear me fine?
5:15 is our official time, so we will wait for the more participants.
Okay, that's fine. Can you hear me properly?
Yeah, we can hear you properly. It's okay. Where you need my help, you just tell me.
Okay, thank you.
So, good evening to all of you. Welcome you all on online athlete coaching and education program. Today we have Mishka from South Africa with us. Mishka is a biokinetist. It's a little difficult word for me. And she is a specialist in a postural and human movement exercises. She will help us how to prevent our gymnast or athlete from injury. So today, निकिता मैम, निर्भय सर, अशोक सर, बाबा सर ने ज्वाइन किया क्या?
सर बाबा सर और निर्भय सर है।
ओके। So Mishka, we have our expert panel here. Mishka, we have 3 more experts with us. Dr. Gurdial Singh Baba is a very senior coach, and Mr. Nirbhay Singh, a former chief coach, Sports Authority of India, and our national team coach, Mr. Ashok Mishra. He is also here. So they will also help us during the sessions. They will check the students. They are doing properly or not, and in the last, they will tell to the gymnast their mistakes.
Okay,
this is the normal protocol for the session.
Okay, perfect.
We'll wait more 2-3 minutes.
That's fine.
So, if you wanted to say a few words from South Africa to our Indian guys, you can, ma'am.
Okay. Hi guys. Okay, so I'm Mishka. Nice to meet you all finally. I'm a biokineticist, and basically what we do is we use exercise to either help people recover from injury or to prevent injury. Okay, and so what we're going to be doing here is giving you exercises to keep you strong and flexible and mobile. Also exercises that will help hopefully prevent any injuries and keep you strong and in good condition for gymnastics. Okay, this is Briley.
Hi guys.
So Briley is almost finished studying to do what I'm doing, so he's also studying to be a biokineticist. His main sport is basketball, but he has also he's also done some gymnastics on the side. So he's going to be joining us for today's session, and I'll be like demonstrating all the exercises, and I'll be giving you I'll demonstrate and I'll give the class, and Briley's going to be doing it with you, so you can follow with Briley. He's going to be doing the class with everyone.
Thank you, Mishka. Mishka,
Thank
okay.
you.
So now I will just speak in Hindi little bit.
Okay.
सो बच्चों, आपका दोबारा स्वागत है इस सेशन पे। हमारे साथ हमारे एक्सपर्ट जुड़ चुके हैं सारे, डॉक्टर बाबा सर, निर्भय सर एंड अशोक मिश्रा सर। आज मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा मिस्टर निर्भय सिंह सर से कि सर आज पूरा कलेक्ट करके आप लास्ट में आज सेशन का फीडबैक आप दे दीजिए सर, जितना भी रहेगा। और बच्चों, आपके लिए एक सरप्राइज पैकेज है हमारे पास। हम पूरे सेशन में आपको ऑब्जर्व करेंगे कौन बच्चा कितना अच्छा ट्रेनिंग करता है, और एवरी मंडे एंड फ्राइडे हमारा सेशन होता है। जो बच्चा सबसे अच्छा करेगा उसको हम उस सेशन का डेमोन्स्ट्रेटर बनाएंगे, ठीक है। सभी में से हम चूज करेंगे, ऐसा पर्टिकुलर नहीं है कि एक दिन आशीष ही करेगा यही करेगा, आप ही में से कोई एक डेमोन्स्ट्रेटर होगा और वो हम आज के सेशन में चूज करेंगे कि नेक्स्ट मंडे कौन डेमोन्स्ट्रेटर होगा। जो सबसे अच्छी ट्रेनिंग करेगा हमारे एक्सपर्ट पैनल आपको देखेंगे और मंडे वो मेन स्क्रीन पे आएगा। तो सोचिए आप पूरे इंडिया को आप एक्सरसाइज कराएंगे उस दिन, ठीक है। सो डू वेल, अच्छा करना है आप सभी को, हम सब आपको देखेंगे। सो मे बी मिश्का, वी विल स्टार्ट आवर सेशन नाउ। आई विल पुट यू ऑन स्पॉटलाइट। सो जिम्नास्ट रेडी, जहां पे कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी मैं आपको कन्वर्ट करूंगा हिंदी में।
Okay. All right. Thanks, guys. So we're ready to start. Everybody can just stand up. We're going to start with the warm up. Okay. What we're going to do for the warm up is we're going to do 3 sets of jumping jacks. Okay, variation. So the first one's a normal jumping jack. All right. That's the first one. The second one, we're going to go cross jacks, crossing the legs as well, legs and arms. And the other one, we're going to do scissor jacks. Okay, like this. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to do that. We're going to do those exercises for 20 seconds each, and then we're going to take a break. We're going to do 3 sets of that. Okay?
करना है।
All right. Everybody ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Jumping jacks.
Come on, start everyone.
Good, nice.
Panel, please observe on screens. I will observing first, second, and 3 screen. Ashok sir, 4th, 5th, and 6th. Baba sir, 7th, 8th, and 9th, 10th. Sorry.
5 more seconds. Yeah. Okay, let's swap cross jacks, cross jacks.
Total 8 screen and we are 4 persons, so हम 2-2 screen observe
Crossing
करेंगे।
hands and legs. Good, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Cross, cross, cross.
Right, okay, let's switch. Scissor jacks.
Change exercise.
You can turn to the side. Okay, guys. 10 seconds. Keep going. Keep going. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Let's have a quick break. Rest. Good job.
Relax.
Okay, so that was the first set. We're going to do 2 more sets like that, just to get the heart rate up. Okay?
2 set करने हैं।
First set. And let's go. Jumping jacks. Normal jumping jacks.
Come on. Second set.
Nice, good job. Halfway, keep going, keep going, keep going. 5 seconds.
Come on, रुको मत।
All right, let's change. Cross jacks, crossing arms and legs. Ten seconds, keep going, keep going. Good. And last one, let's go. Scissor jacks, scissor jacks. Nice.
Come on. रूपम कोले,
Keep
रूपम
going,
कोले,
keep
do
going.
it बेटा, रुको मत।
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, take a rest, take a rest. Take a few breaths.
एक महीना पहले दिया है वो काम वो करने के लिए, वो काम करने के लिए
All right, guys, good job. We've got one more round for the warm up. Okay, let's get into position and let's go. Jumping jacks.
Come on, third set.
Nice, guys. It's the last set. Let's go. Let's go. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. And we're going to change cross jacks, cross arms, cross legs. Good. Keep the arms up high. Don't let them drop. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. And last one, scissor jacks, scissor jacks. Last one for the warm up. Let's go, let's go.
Come on, kids, come on. Kohi Sharma, Udaipur.
Beautiful. 10 seconds. Keep going, keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Okay, catch your breath. Good. Very nice. Okay, whilst you're catching your breath, I'm going to show you what our first set is going to be. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate the exercise for you. Okay, the first one, I call them inchworms. Start arms up, then arms all the way down. Keep your legs as straight as you can, right? Touch the floor, walk your hands out until you come into a plank position. Then you're going to do a push-up, okay, and then you're going to go upward facing dog, right, back to your plank, and walk up. Okay, we're going to do 5 of those. All right. The next exercise, 5 of those. All right, then the next exercise, you're going to count hands and knees, okay? Then you're going to lift one hand, cross the leg over, back down, other side. Okay, we're going to do 5 each side, so 10 in total. All right. The next one, okay, next one, plank position. We're going to step the legs up to the hands. So step one leg up, the other leg, and then step it back. Okay. Right? That's the third one.
exercise था आपका.
Okay. 4th exercise, we're going to go plank, elbow to hands. So we're going to start on the hands, come down to the elbow, back up. Down to the elbows, back up to the hands. Okay, that's the 4th exercise. And then the 5th exercise, I'll show you right at the end. Okay, so let's start with those 4. When you're ready, let's get into position.
ये 4 एक्सरसाइज का सेट है जो आपको करना है. लैंग्वेज में बताओ, डेमोस्ट्रेटर को देखो.
On let's go, 5. Walk the hands out, walk the hands out.
Come on,
So you,
start everyone.
So you position, do a push-up. All right, and now upward facing dog. Good. Back into your plank position. Walk the hands back to your feet. All the way up. That's 1 rep. Let's do 4 more like that. Okay, walking the hands out. Plank position. Push up. Upward facing dog. Back to your plank. Walking the hands back to your feet. Beautiful. That's 2, 3 more.
Asa Makwana, come on.
Push up. Upward facing dog. Lovely. Back to the plank. Walking up. All right. 2 more.
Come on, बेटा, रुकना नहीं है.
Nice, guys. Beautiful. Walking back to your feet. All right. Last one. Okay. Push up. Upward dog. Beautiful. Walking back to your feet. Good job, guys. Okay. That's the first exercise. Second exercise, come onto your hands and knees. Sorry, not hands and knees, hands and feet, hands and feet. Okay, keep the knees bent. So bring the feet in closer. All right. Okay, now we're going to do our rotation. So lift, you're going to lift up the right arm and bring the left foot in. And turn. Back down to the floor, other side. Good, that's 1.
निकालना है और ऊपर करना है.
2. 3. 4, last one on each side. 5, good job. Beautiful, yes, that's it. Lovely. Okay, 3rd exercise. Come into a plank position, straight arms. Straight arms, plank position. Good. You're going to walk 1 foot up, then the other foot, and then walk the feet back. 1 at a time. 1. All right, let's keep going. Same foot must come up first.
ज़्यादा फास्ट नहीं करना है, slow, slow.
2. Right, good. 3.
कंट्रोल में करना है बेटा सभी एक्सरसाइजेस.
4. Step back. 5. Good. Now the next 5 we're going to do same thing, but you're going to leave with the other foot. Okay. So switch the feet that's coming up first. Other foot, step up, up
ये
and
टांग
back.
बदलनी है.
Good. 1, 2, nice. 3, 4,
Very good.
step back, 5. Lovely, guys. All right. Excellent. Okay, next one we're going to do hands to elbow plank. Okay, so starting on your hands in your plank position, come down onto your elbows, one hand at a time, back up onto your hands. 1. We're doing 5 with the same hand. 2.
Come on, Lakshmi
3.
Priya. Come on.
4. Good job. 5. Now we're going to do 5 with the other hand first. Okay, other hand going down first.
दूसरे हाथ के साथ 5 करो.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. All right. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you the last exercise. Okay, so you're going to start downward facing dog. Okay, so you're going to start downward facing dog. Then we're going to lift right leg up, all the way up, and then you're going to bring that right leg to your right knee, touch. Okay, leg up, and then you're going to cross to the left elbow,
Elbow पे टच करना है सभी को.
and then up, and then in the middle, bring the knee to the middle, and then back. All right. Okay, that's going to be our last exercise. We're going to do the right leg, just one, and then the left leg, just one. Let's start. Get ready into position, downward facing dog. Okay, lift right leg up. Right leg up.
Elbow
Okay,
के साथ
bring your
टच
right
करना
leg
है.
to your right
Slowly,
knee.
slowly. Elbow के साथ टच करिए.
Sorry, right elbow to right knee to your right elbow. Back up. Then take your knee to your left elbow, across the body. Back up, and bring the knee into your chest, in the middle. All right, and then all the way back. Good, downward facing dog. Now we're going to change to the left leg up. Right, left knee to left elbow. Back up. Right, knee to the right elbow, across the body. Back up. And knee to chest. Beautiful. Back into your
Yes,
plank.
आप लोग पानी पी सकते हैं
Right.
जब उसको प्यास लगे.
Excellent. Good job, guys. And come up, right? Okay, if you need a quick break, let's have a quick break. We're going to do that for a second time, second set, okay? All 5 of those exercises again. Okay. Have a
पानी
quick
पी
break.
सकते हो बेटा बीच में.
Relax. Okay. Second set, guys. First exercise, the inchworms, okay? So start, hands to the mat, walking into your plank. Walk. All right, push up. Upward dog. All the way back to your plank and walk your hands back to your feet. Perfect. That's 1. Down, walking out.
Come on, everyone.
Push
Badrik,
up. Upward dog. Back to your plank, walking back to your feet. That's 2. You've got 3 more. Down to your feet, walking hands out. Push up, upward dog. Back up to your plank, walking your hands to your feet. 3, good job, guys. 2 more. Push up, upward dog. Lovely. Keep those legs straight so that you can stretch the hamstrings. Good job. Last one.
जितना कंट्रोल में एक्सरसाइज करोगे बेटा उतना
Upward
अच्छा है.
dog. All right, walking back to your feet. Beautiful. All right, nice, guys. Second exercise, we're going to come onto your hands and your feet, and we're going to do our rotations. Okay, hands and feet, lifting one leg up and turn the foot in, twist, back down, other side. 1.
Come on, Ujjwal, come on.
2. 3.
Roshan.
4. 5. Beautiful. Very nice. Okay. Third exercise. You're going to come into your plank position and then you're going to walk the feet up to your hands.
Andre
And
is
back
also
down.
here and
Same
watching
leg.
our
Up,
session.
up. Down. Down. Same leg. Okay. 2, 3, 4. Last one on this leg. 5. Nice. Okay, good. Now we're going to turn other leg up and back. That's 1.
लक्ष्मी प्रिया थोड़ा कंट्रोल में करो, कंट्रोल में करो एक्सरसाइज.
3.
अनुष्का नाथ
Keep the tummy
कंट्रोल में
tight.
बेटा.
4. 5. Beautiful. Lovely, guys. Okay, fourth exercise. It's the hands to elbow plank, okay? So starting plank in your hands. All right, down to your elbows. Same arm up.
विशाल रुकना नहीं है, एक्सरसाइज करते रहे.
Good. 2. 3. 4. 5. Good job. Now we're going to turn to the other hand. Other hand. Down and up. 1. 2. 3. 4. Last one. Beautiful. 5. Good job. Okay, guys. Last exercise. It's the downward dog. Okay, the downward dog exercise. So let's go. Downward dog. Lift right leg up. Right knee to right elbow. Right. Back up. And now to the left elbow. Across the body. Back up. And to the center. All right. Okay, back. Good. Now we're going to go left leg up. To the left elbow. And up. And to the right elbow across the body. And up.
Nishka, come on.
And to the chest. Knee to the chest. Back up. All right. Good. Well done, guys. Okay. That's our first circuit finished. Okay. Take a break if you need to. Whilst you're taking a break, I'm going to show you our next exercises. Okay. We're going to come to the mat for the next exercise on the floor. Come to your stomach. Okay. Flat on your stomach. First one. Flat Superman. Okay, arms straight in front of you, head down. You're going to lift opposite arm and leg. Hold it for 1 second, then switch. Okay, opposite, back down, switch sides, back down. Okay, that's your first exercise. Second exercise, straight arms, straight legs. You're going to lift both your arms and both your legs at the same time. Lift, back down. Lift, back down. Okay, third exercise. Arms in front of you, okay? You're going to lift up both, and then you're going to do kicks. Okay, arms and legs. Arms and legs. This one we're going to do for 10 seconds, all right? Fourth exercise, arms down at your hand. Okay, feet must stay on the floor for this one. So try not to squeeze your glutes, okay? Feet on the floor, arms at your side, lifting chest up and down. Chest up and down. You're using your back muscles, all right? First exercise, you're going to come onto your hands and your knees. Make sure your knees underneath your hips. And make sure your wrists are underneath your shoulders. Okay? You're going to take opposite, arm and leg out straight. Back down. Change to the other side. Back down. This exercise, it's important, hips are straight. You don't want the hips to turn. Okay? All right, guys. Get ready on your tummy. Flat on your tummy. Flat on your tummy, forehead down, arms straight in front of you. All right, okay. Lifting opposite arm and leg at the same time. And down. And other side. And down. Keep going. We're alternating. 3, 4. We're going to 20. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Elbow straight रखो. मकवाना बेटा elbow straight रखो इस exercise में.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job, guys. You're going to stay in the same position. Next exercise, lifting both your arms and your legs at the same time. We're only going to do 8 of these. Okay, let's get ready. 1, 2, 3. Good. 4, 5, 6, 2 more, 7, last one. Beautiful. All right. Good job, guys. Now what you're going to do is you're going to lift arms and legs, and you're going to do the kicks. Okay, arms are going to go up and down, legs are going to go up and down. We're doing that for 10 seconds. Okay, so lift, let's get into position and start. Good. Kick, kick, kick like you're swimming, like
On
you're swimming.
7.
All right, keep going. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Good. Lovely. Bring your arms down to your side. Arms down to your side. Keep the feet on the floor. Feet mustn't lift for this exercise. Okay, using your back muscles. So you're going to use those parts of your back to lift up your chest. Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3. We're doing 8, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last one. 8.
Good, good,
Lovely.
good.
Good. Lovely. Come onto your hands and your knees, guys. Hands and knees. Make sure knees are underneath your hips. Hands and wrists are underneath your shoulders. Okay. Tummy pulled in nice and tight. Now you're going to take opposite arm and leg to go out straight. Forehead down, back down to the ground, and turn other side. 2. We're doing 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Okay, good. That was the first set, guys. We're going to do 2 more sets like that. Same exercises. Okay. Same 5 exercises. On your tummy. Flat on your tummy. Flat on your stomach. Arms straight.
लेट जाओ बेटा.
Head down. Okay, ready? And lifting opposite arm and leg. Let's go. 1. Other side.
Opposite
2,
hand and legs उठाना है.
3, 4. We're going to 20. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Good. 18, 19. Last one. 20. Good job. Okay, next exercise. You're going to lift arms and legs. We're going for 8 reps. Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
जो डेमोस्ट्रेटर डेमो का दे रहा है उसी की
7.
स्पीड
Last
के साथ
one.
आप भी करो.
Good.
ज्यादा फास्ट
Good.
मत करो.
8. Okay, third exercise. Lift arms and legs, and then you're going to kick arms and legs at the same time. We're going to go for 10 seconds. Go into position, lift arms and legs, and start. Kicking, kicking, arms and legs. Keep going, keep going. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Good job. Arms down at your side. Feet stay on the floor, okay? Lifting arms and chest off the ground. Ready? 1, 2, we're doing 8, 3, 4, good job. 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. Well done, guys. Come onto your hands and knees. Hands and knees, knees underneath hips, wrists underneath shoulders. Tummy tight. Okay, opposite arm and leg goes out straight. 1, back down other side. 2, we're doing 10.
बैक मत करो बेटा.
3,
बैक फ्लैक्स मत करो.
4, 5, 6, 7,
स्टेबिलिटी एक्सरसाइज. कोर
8,
एक्टिवेशन एक्सरसाइजेस.
9, last one.
मत करो. अदरवाइज
10
मसल
jobs.
दूसरी मसल पे इम्पैक्ट करेगा और मसल इम्बैलेंस होगा.
Well done, guys. All right. Okay. One more time. Last set.
मत डालिए.
All 5 of those exercises. Okay. Let's get ready on your tummy. Arms straight. Forehead down. Okay. Lifting opposite arm and leg. Let's go. 1. Other side. 2, 3, 4.
आशा मकवाना.
5,
लेग टाइट बेटा. लेग
6,
स्ट्रेट. रूपम कोले. व्हाट हैपेंड?
8. Going to 20. 9. 10. Halfway.
रूपम
11.
आप नहीं कर रहे हो.
12.
रूपम
13.
कोले.
14.
एक्सरसाइज कीजिए,
15,
स्क्रीन के सामने मत बैठो.
16, 17, 18, 19, last one. Very nice. Straight arms, straight legs. You lift arms and legs at the same time. 8 reps. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. Good, nice, guys. All right. Now you're going to lift arms and legs, and we're going to swim. Okay. Okay. So into position and go. Kicking, kicking. Kicking arms, kicking legs.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Keep going and stop. Lovely. Arms down at your side. All right. Feet stay on the ground. Okay, lifting arms and chest off the floor. Ready? Let's go. 8 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
सर स्क्रीन जरूर कवर करना. अशोक सर आपका तीसरा चौथा स्क्रीन सर. बाबा सर 5, 7, निर्भय सर 8.
Last exercise, guys. Onto your hands and your knees.
मैं मनोज 3 और 4 कवर कर रहा हूँ. 3 और 4.
सर
Knees underneath your hips, hands underneath your shoulders, tummy pulled in tight. Opposites go out. Opposite arm and leg. Let's go. 1, 2. It must be straight.
प्रिया बैक
3,
फ्लैट मत करो बेटा.
4,
बैक कोर टाइट रखो. टमी टाइट.
Come on, Shubhadeep.
8, 9, last one. Good job. 10. Lovely. Very nice, guys. Okay, you take a break. Whilst you're having a rest, I'm going to show you the next practice.
Yes, sir, very good.
All right. Have a break. Watch me for the next one. Okay.
पानी पीते पीते देखो बेटा.
Your feet are going to be on the floor, okay? I don't want your feet to lift off the floor. Feet are going to be on the floor, arms at your side, okay? Pull the tummy in tight. You're going to roll back as far as you can. Feet mustn't lift. And back up. When you come up, your back must be nice and straight. Okay? Roll back. Come up. That's the first exercise.
बैक स्ट्रेट रखना है और स्लो पीछे जाना है.
The second exercise, you're going to roll back. You're going to hold it here. You're going to hold it here. And then with your arms, you're going to lift arms up and down. Up and down. Up and down, okay?
दूसरी
That's the second
एक्सरसाइज.
exercise. Third exercise, you're going to roll back again. You're going to hold it here. Now we're going to do arms opposite. Okay, opposite arms. Opposite arms. Up and down. Up and down. Okay? After that, arms again. Out. Rolling back. Tummy pull tight. You're going to open arm out one to the one side. Back to the center. And then the other side. Back to the center. Okay. So we're opening up. Turning in the back, okay, twisting in the back. And then our last one, what you're going to do is you're going to lift your legs up so that your leg is parallel to the ground, right, straight, arms out to your side, and we're going to hold it just like this. We're going to hold it for 10 seconds. Okay. Okay, guys, those are your 5 exercises. Okay. Sitting, feet back on the ground, knees bent, feet on the floor. I want your feet to lift, arms at your side, lift it at your side. Okay. Okay, guys, we're going to do 12 roll backs. Ready? Let's go. 1, and up. Good. 2, 3.
स्लोली बेटा. सिटअप नहीं करना है. सिटअप नहीं.
7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to do 2 more. 11. Last one.
सिटअप बेटा. सिटअप नहीं है.
Stop.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir. Come on. Yes, sir.
Okay. Next exercise, you're going to roll back. You're going to hold it there. And then arms are going to go up and down at the same time. Both arms at the same time. Okay, let's get ready. Roll back into position. Lifting arms up and down. 12. 1. Tummy tight. 2, 3, 4,
आशा मकवाना बेटा
Five.
स्क्रीन की तरफ मत देखो, एक्सरसाइज एक ही है, सामने देखो एंड रेपिटेशन करो.
7,
फॉरवर्ड.
8, 9, 10, 11, last one, 12. Good job. Come up. Okay. Lovely. Take a quick rest. Next exercise, we're going to roll back and then you're going to do the same thing but opposite arms. Okay. Let's go.
थोड़ा पीछे जाइए और अपोजिट आर्म्स अप डाउन
One.
अप डाउन स्लोली,
2,
स्पीड में नहीं करना है.
3. We're going to 10. 4,
वेरी गुड पियासा
5,
शिफा
7,
करो
8,
These all are
Nine.
exercises are for
and
stabilization.
10. Beautiful. Okay, come up. Give the tummy a break.
Very useful in gymnastics.
Right. Next exercise, you're going to roll back and then you're going to open out your arms to the side. Okay, ready? To position and let's go. Arm to the side. Back to center. And
कमान
other side.
झिलिक झिलिक करो झिलिक.
Back to center, other side.
टर्न
Two.
करना है बेटा, शोल्डर टर्न करना है पूरा.
Only doing 5 on each side.
थोड़ा पीछे करो, शोल्डर बैठना नहीं है, थोड़ा पीछे.
4. Last one on each side. Good. That's 5. Well done. Excellent. Good job. Okay, guys. Now what you're going to do is you're going to have your arms out at your side and you're going to lift your legs up. Okay. Okay, so that's the position. Ready? And let's go. We're doing this for 10 seconds.
Hold it.
Keep going, tummy tight. And come down, have a break. That's it. Good job.
Good,
Okay.
Raisha. Good, Anushka.
First round of that set. We're going to do it 2 more times, okay? All right, remember first exercise, we're rolling back. Arms at your side, feet mustn't lift off the ground. Ready? We're going for 12. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4,
टांगे जमीन से नहीं उठानी है बेटा.
5,
फ्लैट फुट आपका जमीन पे टच रहेगा, फ्लैट फुट रहेगा सभी का.
7,
आपकी स्क्रीन पे देखिए.
8, 9. Good job. 2 more.
सुरभि very nice.
11. Last one. That's 12. Very nice. Okay. Next exercise. You're going to roll back. You're going to hold it there, tummy tight, and lifting arms, both arms at the same time. Okay. Let's go. 12. 1, 2. Keep tummy tight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, keep going. 11, last one. 12, good job, come up, give the tummy a break, okay? Next exercise, we're gonna roll back and then we're gonna go opposite arms, up and down, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
रीमा जयता
Nine.
बेटा
and
आपके
10. Good job. Okay, come up. Lovely, guys.
करो आपके
Next
लेग.
exercise, you're gonna roll back and then we're gonna open arms out to the side. Okay, 5 on each side. Let's go. And other side. 1. Back to center. All right, good. 2,
Slowly, Asha Makwana, slow, very slow.
3.
Don't rush.
Good. Nice control. Go with as much control as you can. Last one on each side. Good, that's 5. Lovely. Beautiful. Come up. Have a quick break. Okay, and then we're going to go into our boat pose. Arms at your side, legs lifted. 3, 2, 1. We're starting. Okay, 10 seconds. Halfway. Keep holding.
सागर जादव, टांगे मिलाइए.
Okay, come down.
सागर.
Good job. All right, guys, one more time. One more time. We're going to do all of those exercises, okay? Get into your starting position. Arm left your side. We're rolling back for 12. Feet
Back
stay
straight.
flat on the ground. Let's go.
Back straight सभी का, back straight होगा सभी का.
बैक स्ट्रेट करो अनुष्का.
3, 4. Use those tummy muscles.
Piyush Agarwal.
5,
काजल बैक स्ट्रेट करो काजल.
7,
गुड शुभदेव बढ़िया.
8, 9. 2 more. Last one. Good job. All right. Okay. Next exercise, you're going to roll back, hold it there, and then lifting both arms at the same time. Ready? Position. Okay, let's go. 1,
सागर यादव, बेटा आपके लेग्स खुले हुए हैं,
2,
घुटने मिलाइए. यस, गुड.
4, 5, 6, halfway, keep going.
देता रहे, थोड़ा
7,
पीछे जाओ. यस, थोड़ा पीछे.
8,
ओवरशियर साइड. यस,
9,
कम ऑन, रुको मत बीच में.
10, 2 more. 11, 1 more. Good job. 12. Okay, excellent.
गुड
Right,
जॉब.
next one, you're going to roll back and then we're going to go opposite arms. Okay, ready, get into position, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
वेरी गुड निष्का.
9, 10. Good job. Okay. Nearly done, guys. Next one, you're going to roll back and then you're going to open arms out to the side. 5 on each side. Get ready. Lean back, get into position, and open up to the side. Back to
Slowly.
center. Other side. Back to center. That's 1. Very nice. 2. 3, 4, last one on each arm, and 5. Excellent. Okay, last exercise for this circuit. We're going to do our boat pose. Legs up, arms up. Ready? And let's start. And stop. Excellent. Good work, guys. Okay, have your quick break. Have your quick break. Whilst you're having a race, I'm going to show you our next circuits, okay? Okay. You're going to lie on your back. Pull one knee to your chest, other leg out straight. Lift head and shoulders up, tummy tight. Then you're going to switch and switch and switch and switch. Keep pulling your knee into your chest, okay? Other leg goes out nice and straight. Lots of control. We're not doing it fast. Okay, we're doing it with control. We're going to go 10 on each leg. I'll count for you. Okay.
शोल्डर और टांगे हवा में रहेंगी और कंट्रोल में करनी है एक्सरसाइज.
After that, we're going to do crunches. If you want to, you can do crunches with your feet on the floor. If you want it to be harder, you lift your feet up. Okay. But feet mustn't touch. You must keep it in line with your hips. Hands behind your head, crunches. Normal crunches. Either like this or like this. Okay. We're going to do 10 of those. After that, we're going to do hundreds. Okay. Hundreds, lying on your back. You're going to lift your legs. Okay, legs are going to stay up the whole time. Arms at your side. You're going to lift your head and your shoulders with your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rest your head and shoulders back down. That's 1. We're going to do 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rest back down. We're going to do 10 of those. After that, we're going to do bicycles. Okay. So hands on your head. We're going to start with legs up. You're going to twist opposite elbow to knee, and the other leg's going to go out straight. Okay, so twist and twist. Twist and twist. Important, you're not going fast. You're going to be so in control, okay? So in control. And then the last one, on your back, one leg up straight, other leg down. You're going to lift head and shoulders, hold your leg up, switch, 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 switch. Okay. Okay, guys, those are our next 5 exercises. Brian's going to come do it with you. Let's go on your back. Flat on your back.
एक्सरसाइजेस बेटा सारे
On your back.
करना है.
All right, remember, lots of control. We're not going to rush these exercises. Pull one knee into your chest, Lift your head and shoulders off the ground, tummy tight, and switch. Keep going, keep switching. 1, 2, 3, good. Other leg must be nice and straight when it goes out. 4, 5, 6,
स्लो कंट्रोल में बेटा, स्नेहा
Seven.
जितना कंट्रोल में करोगे उतना अच्छा है.
8,
स्टेबलाइजेशन.
9, last one on each leg, guys.
फास्ट ना ज्यादा स्लो.
10, good job, good job. All
अनुष्का,
right,
वेरी नाइस.
lovely guys. Okay, next one, crunches. Either feet on the floor or legs lifted. Hands behind your head, lifting shoulders, pulling tummy in tight. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. Good job. 10. Perfect. Okay.
Good job,
Next,
Sarvi.
we're going to do hundreds, okay? Lifting the legs up, knees bent. Okay. Knees bent, keep it in line with your hips. All right? Arms at your side. Lift head and shoulders, then with the arms, go 5 pulses up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rest your head and shoulders, keep the legs up. That's 1. Okay, lift again. With the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Head and shoulders down. That's 2. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Goes down. That's 3.
अनुष्का शोल्डर थोड़ा ऊपर करो और अनुष्का. हाँ
4,
ठीक है. कमन गेट अप. यस.
5,
आप खुद करेंगे खुद को अनम्यूट. आपको
Six.
होस्ट हैं बाबा सर.
बाबा सर को मैंने मैसेज भी भेजा, सर अनम्यूट नहीं हुए.
7,
सर बाबा सर को खुद को अनम्यूट करना पड़ेगा.
एक्चुअली वो मैंने मैसेज भी भेजा सर को, बट सर का
last one, guys.
सर फिर उनका कोई इंटरनेट इशू या कुछ होगा क्योंकि मैं यहाँ से नहीं कर सकती.
Okay. Get into position for the next exercise. Next exercise is bicycles. Hands behind your head. Start with your legs up, knees bent. Okay. Turn one elbow, opposite elbow to knee. Other leg goes up straight and switch. 1, 2. Good. Nice control. 3,
ये एक्सरसाइज है ओब्लिक मसल्स के लिए.
5,
थोड़ा सा करो आसिफा, शोल्डर अप करो.
सर आप
7,
स्क्रीन पे ही हो.
8,
अच्छा
थर्ड
9,
नहीं, मैं तो थर्ड में,
and 10.
मनोज मैं थर्ड पे ही हूँ.
हो गया. अच्छा बच्चे रोटेट हो रहे हैं.
हाँ
Last exercise for the circuit is big scissor kicks, and you're going to grab the leg at the top, okay? So start one leg up straight, other leg down, lift head and shoulders up, okay? And switch, and switch. 1, 2,
बेटा स्विंग नहीं करना है. स्विंग नहीं करना है. स्लोली, डोंट स्विंग.
4. Lots of control. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
गुड प्रियांशी.
and 10. Good job, guys. Take a break. Okay. Well done. That's the end of the first set. We're going to do 2 more sets like that. Okay. 2 more sets like that. You guys ready? Okay. Lie flat on your back. Okay. We're going to start with knee to chest, lifting head and shoulders up, and switch. Other knee in. All right. 1. We're going to 10. 2. Nice control. Let's go. 3.
अनुष्का जरा थोड़ा शोल्डर अप करो,
5,
थोड़ा ऊपर करो और
6, 7, 8,
वेरी गुड सुरभि.
9,
गुड निष्का.
and 10. Beautiful. Good. That's it. Okay.
अभिलाषी
Crunches is our
शोल्डर
second
ऊपर क्यों नहीं?
exercise. You either go
अभिलाषी
feet on the
शोल्डर
floor,
ऊपर करो, शोल्डर
legs
तुम्हारे
lifted.
नीचे लगा हुआ है.
hands behind your head,
और
and
थोड़ा
let's go.
ऊपर
10,
करेंगे, और थोड़ा ऊपर.
1,
यस.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. All right. All right. Our next exercise is 100. You're going to lift your legs up. Knees are bent. Okay. Legs are in line with your hips. Lift head and shoulders, and then with your arms you're pulsing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raise head and shoulders
Just
down.
warm
That's
सक्सेना
1,
पानी पी सकते हो बीच में
2,
जब जिसको प्यास लगे पानी पी लो
3,
पानी भी आपका है टाइम भी आपका है डोंट वरी
4, 5,
सिमरा शमीन आईजीसी
6,
सिमरा शमीन आईजीसी
7,
यस
8,
सारा पवार आप पी सकते हो पानी
9, last one. Beautiful. That's 10. Good job. Okay. Next, we're going to do bicycles. Okay. Hands behind the head. Start with knees bent. Lift it up. Okay. Opposite elbow to knee. Other leg goes out straight with control. Let's go. And turn. 1, 2. Remember to keep breathing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, beautiful. 8, 9, last one on each side, and 10, perfect. All right, guys, big scissor kicks. Okay, we're nearly there. All right, holding your leg, lifted head and shoulders, and we're gonna switch legs, let's go. And switch, 1, and switch, 2, good, keep going. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one.
अक्षरा पंजाब
Beautiful.
वेरी गुड बेटा
Okay, you guys deserve a quick break. Quick break, and then we're gonna go. Last
Quick
set
break.
of this.
पानी
We've
पी
got
सकते
one
हो
more
अभी
set.
जिसको पीना है अभी जो मैसेज में
Yes.
डाल रहे थे अभी पानी पी लीजिए जल्दी जल्दी
Good, relax a little bit. Okay, ready? On your back. Last
Hold the
set.
toes.
Okay,
Hold
starting
it
with your
down.
knee pulled into your chest. Lift head and shoulders. Okay, and we're gonna switch. Let's go. And switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, beautiful. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that's 1, 10, perfect. Good job. Okay, crunches, either feet on the ground or legs lifted. You ready? Hands behind your head. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one. All right, perfect. Good job. Gymnasts need a strong core, so we're doing lots of core. Okay, legs up, knees bent. We're doing hundreds next. Arms down at your side. Lift head and shoulders up, pulse with your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raise down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, nearly there. 9, last one. Good job. All right. Okay. Next exercise. Hands behind your head. We're doing bicycles. Legs up. Start with the legs up. Knees bent. Twisting. And twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, nice guys, well done. 8, 9, and 10, that's perfect, good job. All right, last exercise for this circuit.
Very
Straight
good,
legs
Ashu.
physically.
Come on.
Okay, lift one leg up, other leg down. Lift head and shoulders, and let's switch. 1,
ओवे प्रभु।
2.
बेटा आपके
Good.
पीछे
So
आगे
we're working 4 and we're stretching.
ओवे प्रभु।
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Beautiful. Good job, guys. All right. We've got one more circuit left before we start
Good,
stretching.
good.
Okay, so
Arijay,
have a
very
break.
good.
Have a break. I'm going to show you your last circuit. This circuit, we're going to work glute muscles. Okay. So you're going to lie on your side. Okay, I'm just going to show you the exercises. We're going to do 10 of each of these exercises, and we're not going to rest in between. Okay, so we're just going to go from one to the next. Okay, so you're going to lie on your side. Bottom leg is bent, top leg is straight. Make sure the hips are on top of each other. You don't want your hips to roll backwards. Okay?
टर्न नहीं करना है इस एक्सरसाइज में, कोर टाइट
Leg
रखना।
straight, pull your toes to your face. Toes to your face for this. First exercise, lifting the leg all the way up and down. Okay, that's the first exercise. We're going to do 10. Second exercise, you're going to keep your leg low and we're going to do quick pulses at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. We're going to do 10. Third exercise, you're going to lift your leg up high. Okay, and you're going to do pulses at the top. Okay, 10 of those. Then we're going to do big circles, keeping your legs straight. Okay, no bending in your knee. Big circles going forward. All right. Then we're going to do big circles going backwards.
समझ में आ रहा है बेटे सभी को?
And then the last one, you're going to keep your leg up, pull your knee to your
Very
chest,
good.
straighten out. Knee to chest, straighten out. Okay. So those are 6 exercises, guys. We're going to go 6, no rest in between, 10 reps of each, and then we're going to do the same on the other side. Okay, let's go onto your side. Okay, lying on your side. Bottom leg is bent, top leg is straight, your toes are pulled towards your face. All right, first exercise, leg all the way up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, keep going, 8, 9, 10. Good, then you're going to keep your leg low and do quick pulses for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Lift your leg up high. All right. Quick pulses at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Okay, keep that leg straight. We're going big circles. 1, 2, big circles. 3, using those glute muscles. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. You should feel your glutes. And now we're going to turn the circles the other way around. Change the direction. 1, tight tummy whilst you're doing this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
और बड़ा सर्कल करो
7,
प्रदीप, बड़ा सर्कल
8,
करो।
9, 10. Good job. Last exercise. Pull your knee up to your chest. Straighten it back out. 1, 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. Beautiful. Good job, guys. All right. Okay, let's do the same on the other side. Turn around. Turn around, turn around. Okay. Lying on your side. Bottom leg is bent. Top leg is straight. Your toes are pulled towards your face. Okay. All the way up, all the way down. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't rush it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to do 10 low ones. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. Lift the leg up high. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. Okay, big circles. Lots of control, using hips, using glute muscles. Your tummy is tight.
कंट्रोल में करना है बेटा, कंट्रोल में करना है.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Change the direction of your circles. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. Okay. Last exercise, guys, pull your knee to your chest. We're only going to do this once, okay? So this is the last exercise for the day, then we're stretching. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. All right. Okay, let's take a cool down, everyone. Okay. Quickly grab some water if you need. Have a quick break.
Come on, पानी पी लीजिए बेटा.
Okay, guys, I'm going to do the stretches with you. So, first stretch. Lying on your back. Lying on your back, you're going to pull your right knee tight in towards your chest, okay? Pull it in, we're going to hold it there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Other leg is straight. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Then you're going to take your knee over to the other side, okay? You're going to twist, twist, twist. Knee over to the other side, stretching the lower back. Hold that. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? Same leg. You're going to interlace your fingers behind your knee. Okay. You're going to hold your leg here, and then you're going to straighten your leg up. Pull toes to your face. Bend it down. You're going to do 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Come on, संयुक्ता, क्यों बैठे हो?
9, 10.
लक्ष्मी प्रिया, क्यों बैठे हो? स्ट्रेचिंग टाइम में क्यों बैठे हो आप लोग? प्रदीप साहू.
We're sticking with the same leg. So the same leg.
अरे वो
cross the
प्रोजेक्ट का
ankle,
मोबाइल है,
off your knee.
Okay.
उसमें सारा जिम के बच्चे उसका मोबाइल पे
Put
लगे.
that leg up. We're stretching glutes. 10, 9, 8, 7,
तो बोलो सर एक कैलोरी लगा ले जिम में.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, guys. Let's do the other leg. Riley's going to do the other leg with you. Okay, switch the other leg. First thing, we're going to pull knee in towards your chest. Pull knee in towards your chest. Other leg is pushed down to the ground straight. 10, 9,
करो स्नेहा.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then that same knee, you're going to twist it over to the other side. Okay, twist and stretch the lower back. All the way.
गुड निकिता.
शांत. महाराष्ट्र में कभी पी लेना, पानी खत्म होने वाला
Hold
है.
that. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Come back to center. Okay, hands behind your knee. Okay, then hold your leg there. Lift your leg up. Toes pull towards your face. Okay, feel it stretch hamstrings and back down. 1. Keep toes pull to your face. And up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. Good job. Okay, both feet flat on the ground, knees bent. Okay, that same leg, you're going to cross the ankle over your other knee, lift that leg up, hands in between, lift that leg up, pull that knee towards you. Try and rest your head down on the ground. Okay.
Stretch
Stretching
बहुत
glutes.
जरूरी है बेटा, stretch properly करो.
Stretching glutes, stretching glutes. You can do that. Stretching glutes. Hold for 5 more seconds.
अपना
4,
हिप को टच करो
3,
इसमें.
2, 1. Okay. Good job, guys. Well done. That's the end of our class. Thank you very much for joining us. Thanks
Thank
for
you,
having me.
Mishka. Thank you very much. Mishka, you know
Yes.
our old man why says that the world is very small?
Yes.
Because today I observed that 13 inches camera where 500 people are doing training together. As a
I
coach,
know. It's amazing. It's amazing.
in a field, it's very difficult to deal 20 people, and we are dealing with the 500 people here, and everybody is doing great work. So thank you,
That's
Mishka.
amazing.
Thank you very much. It was nice session and energetic session. So these exercises are very useful in gymnastics. So Mishka will join us in the next Wednesday again.
Yes.
Please
Same time.
give
And
me
Brian
the
will be with us as well.
And today I will invite our expert, Mr. Nirbhay, for expert views. Nirbhay sir, please.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Manoj. First of all, I appreciate. Madam Mishka and his demonstrator partner. Very nicely he presented a total. Please mute the mic, please, Mr. Manoj.
Yes, sir, come.
Please mute the mic. So I appreciate the work of conditioning work of Mishka. She prepared. She has given the complete exercise of body preparation, and once the gymnast prepare his or her body, there is no chance of getting injury in gymnastics. So once again from the expert side, I thanks to Mishka. पर मैं अभी हिंदी वाले बच्चों को समझाना चाहूँगा क्योंकि थोड़ी सी इंग्लिश इनकी हाई थी तो बच्चों को कोई समझ में नहीं आया होगा. तो इन्होंने देखा आपने इन्होंने 6 एरिया में काम किया है पूरे कंडीशनिंग के लिए और 6 एरिया इनके था. सबसे पहले इन्होंने कार्डियो एक्सरसाइज की जिसमें जितने भी जंपिंग जैक्स आ गए वो कार्डियो हार्ट और लंग्स को सबसे पहले उन्होंने तैयार किया और इसके बाद ये आ गए आर्म्स पोजीशन. आर्म्स पोजीशन में हमारे जितने मसल्स हैं शोल्डर गर्डल मसल्स हैं तो इन्होंने जो भी एक्सरसाइज फर्स्ट जो कराई थी फ्रंट सपोर्ट पोजीशन में तो इसके अंदर सभी आर्म्स के मसल इन्वॉल्व हुए और आप देखेंगे कि जो हमारे जो 800 पेयर्स ऑफ मसल्स बॉडी में उसके अराउंड मोर देन 75% मसल्स हमारे जो थोरोसिस बोलते हैं हमारे जो फ्रंट और बैक और शोल्डर यहाँ पे सिचुएटेड होते हैं हिप में. तो इन सभी को इन्होंने एक्सरसाइज की आर्म मसल्स में की और सबसे खास बात ध्यान रखना है जब आर्म्स की एक्सरसाइजेस हो रही थी तो जो दूसरे बॉडी के मसल्स थे वो स्टेबलाइज थे. तो सबसे ज़्यादा इनके इस एक्सरसाइज में करने की जो मतलब ज़रूरत है कि जो मसल यूज़ हो रहा है और दूसरा मसल जो यूज़ नहीं उसको हम स्टेबलाइज स्ट्रेंथ नहीं करें. जिम्नास्टिक में कुछ मसल्स काम करते हैं और टोटल बॉडी हमारी स्टेबलाइज होती है जब भी हमारी बॉडी के अंदर फोर्स ट्रांसफर होता है. आर्म्स के बाद उन्होंने देखो बैक मसल्स के जितने भी मसल्स हैं बैक में उन्होंने ट्रेन की है. बैक में बहुत सारे मसल्स हैं और इसी प्रकार से वो इन्होंने एब्डोमिनल मसल्स किए हैं. आपको मालूम होगा कि एब्डोमिनल के अंदर कम से कम 49 पेयर्स ऑफ मसल्स हैं जो हमें दिखते हैं रेक्टस एब्डोमिनस ऑब्लिक पर इसके अंदर जाएंगे तो बहुत छोटे छोटे मसल्स हैं पर इन्होंने इतनी एक्सरसाइजेस कराई हैं. सभी ऑब्लिक मसल्स हो गए अपर एब्डोमेन मिडिल एब्डोमेन लोअर एब्डोमेन. जब ये एक्सरसाइजेस हो रही थी तो उनके लेग्स पोजीशन फिक्स थी स्टेबलाइज थी अपर बॉडी हेड के ऊपर वाला स्टेबलाइज था. तो टोटल इनका जो ट्रेनिंग हुआ एब्डोमेन में. इसके बाद ये गए हिप पे. आप देखिए हिप के अंदर इतने सारे मसल्स हैं जहां हमारी इंजुरीज होती हैं उसको स्ट्रेंथनिंग करना जरूरी है. तो जितने भी जो हिप्स के मसल्स हैं उसके अंदर आप देखो कि जो ग्रोइंग मसल्स हैं और स्ट्रेंथनिंग एडक्टर एंड एब्डक्टर मसल जो होते हैं जो हमारे पैरों को जोड़ते हैं और पैरों को खोलते हैं और जो हमारे हिप के अंदर जो ग्लूटियस मसल्स हैं ये सब मसल्स की ट्रेनिंग आपने देखी होगी. और लास्ट में इन्होंने क्या किया है कि जो स्ट्रेचिंग ऑफ हिप मसल्स जो लास्ट पार्ट रहा इनको स्ट्रेचिंग ऑफ हिप मसल्स रहा जिससे कि रेंज ऑफ मूवमेंट आपकी बढ़े. तो बच्चों के लिए ये जरूरी है. देखो जो इन्होंने एक्सरसाइज बताई इसमें एक रिदम था इसमें कहीं एक्सरसाइज में जर्क नहीं था। जो बॉडी को हमने स्टेबलाइज की है, जो बॉडी को हमने रोका है, वो उसको रोकना जरूरी है और बाकी बॉडी के पार्ट काम करेंगे। हर 4 सेट किए हैं और हर 4 सेट का एक सेट का 4 बार रेपिटेशन किया है। ये रेपिटेशन हमारे ट्रेनिंग के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है। आप 2 बार कर सकते हैं, 3 बार कर सकते हैं, पहली बार 1 बार कर सकते हैं और धीरे धीरे हम ये रेपिटेशन बढ़ा सकते हैं। आप देखेंगे बहुत ही बढ़िया कॉम्बिनेशन है इसमें, इसेंट्रिक, सेंट्रिक और आइसोमेट्रिक एक्सरसाइजेज। तो आइसोमेट्रिक एक्सरसाइज हमारे बॉडी में बहुत जरूरी है, जो हमारे बॉडी को स्टेबलाइज करती है। तो मैं सभी बच्चों को ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि हाँ, हमने ये देखना है इन एक्सरसाइज से कि टोटल बॉडी पार्ट की हमारी एक्सरसाइज हो गई इसमें। और यदि एक बार आपके सब मसल्स ट्रेंड हो जाएंगे तो जब आप मेजर जिम्नास्टिक एक्सरसाइजेस करते हैं उस टाइम पर आपको किसी प्रकार की इंजरी नहीं होगी। तो वंस अगेन आई थैंक मिश्का, शी हैज गिवन idea to us, to all of us, that how we can train the muscles which are we can't see muscles. Generally we see muscles which are appearing, but which muscles are inside your body she has trained. Thank you very much, Manoj.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And Mishka, thank you very much for the nice session. So hope we will meet again Wednesday, next Wednesday, with
Thank you very much.
and some nice exercises. Thank you,
Thank
Mishka.
you. Thank you. I'll see you next
Sports Authority of India, thank you very much. Okay.
Thank
And
you.
जिम्नास्ट, बेटा आप सभी को मैंने कल कहा था थैंक यू मत लिखो, थैंक यू की बजाय आपके साथ 2-2, 3-3 जिम्नास्ट को जोड़िए। सो कल से, आज हमारा 510 हुआ है, कल हमारा 700 क्रॉस होना चाहिए। सभी जिम्नास्ट को इकट्ठा करो और सब लेके आओ। और आज हमारा वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे हम डिक्लेयर करेंगे कि मंडे कौन हमारा बच्चा डेमोन्स्ट्रेटर होगा। आज मैंने 4-5 नाम नोट किए हैं, उन्हीं में से हम फ्राइडे तक जो अच्छी एक्सरसाइज करेगा उसी को डेमोन्स्ट्रेटर बना के मेन स्क्रीन पे कराएंगे। सो कंक्लूड, फॉर द कंक्लूजन ऑफ सेशन आई इनवाइट पठानिया सर।
हेलो मनोज, सुनाई दे रहा है?
यस सर।
मनोज
सर सुन रहा है?
सुन रहा है?
यस सर।
Yes, I thanks Miss Nair, Mishika and her colleague for showing very good effective exercise, and I hope it will benefit our gymnast. Thank you, Manoj. Thank you, Miss Nair, Mishika and her colleague. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
So on behalf of Sports Authority of India, I again thank you very much for all. So be with us tomorrow 5:15. Tomorrow we have a Zumba dance session. So Anupam Jed, a famous choreographer from USA, he will be joined tomorrow. कल वो हमारे साथ जुड़ेंगे और कल किसी को थकने की जरूरत नहीं है, कोई पेट की, हाथ की एक्सरसाइज नहीं होगी। कल सिर्फ डांस होगा और आपकी एग्जीक्यूशन वाली एक्सरसाइजेस होंगी सिर्फ डांस में। सो कल एंजॉय कीजिए, बाकी अपने दोस्तों को बोलिए सब डांस कर सकते हैं, मम्मी पापा चाचा ताऊ सब डांस कर सकते हैं इस कोविड-19 पीरियड में। 1 घंटे के लिए सब एंजॉय करो कल। सो मिलते हैं कल 5:15 बजे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।